The MyCitroën app enables you to stay connected to your car and access key information about your Citroën via your smartphone. In this video, we're going to take a look at how to use this perfect companion for your Citroën. Let's start with the home page. From here, you'll be able to see essential data about your car, such as charge status, fuel level, and mileage. They're all displayed right here. In the event of any technical issues with your car, an alert will be displayed on the home page. You can also easily search and contact a local Citroën retailer or workshop or our customer care team. This means you have a quick and easy way of making an appointment or asking for a quote at your preferred retail store. You can also find locations, opening times, and available services. The maintenance section allows you to see any service, MOT, or maintenance appointments that have already taken place. The MyCitroën app will also provide maintenance reminders straight to your mobile device. Similar to the home page, you can contact a Citroën retailer to carry out your maintenance or repair. You can book an appointment online and add it to the app once it's confirmed. This enables you to have an electronic vehicle service history at your fingertips. With the MyCitroën app, you can stay connected to your car wherever you are. You can use the MyCitroën app to access the e-remote control. This function allows you to view charge state, charging status, charge rate, and estimated range, as well as remote starting and programming of your charge in order to benefit from the best charging tariffs. To set the time you wish your Citroën to begin charging, head to the Charge section within the app. Then select the desired time you wish the charging to start. And finally, tap Deferred Charging. You'll receive a notification when the charge reaches 100%. Another fantastic feature is the option to precondition the air conditioning or heating within your vehicle whilst it's still on charge. This allows you to efficiently maximise the range of your full electric or plug-in hybrid Citroën. You do not have to set a temperature value yourself, as the e-remote control will always target a comfort temperature, heating when it's cold outside and using air conditioning when it's hot outside. When you program preheating or pre-cooling, the system will start between 30 and 45 minutes before the time you've set. This is in order to make sure your vehicle will have reached a comfortable temperature. It will then remain active for 10 minutes after that time. Please note, the remote climate function will not activate if the doors and/or the boot are unlocked. If you unlock the car during the preheating or pre-cooling, the process will stop after 1 minute. The battery charge level is too low. This is 50% for full electric vehicles and 20% for plug-in hybrid models when unplugged. There is no impact for the hybrid vehicles when plugged in. And finally, if there are more than 3 scheduled events without driving the vehicle. Details about your journeys can be found in just one click. You'll have full access to your dashboard and can use time filters to display any of your previous journeys. This enables you to pick out a specific journey and obtain information such as duration, distance, average speed, fuel consumption, and cost. In the car section, you can see the VIN number and the mileage of your car. You also have access to all of your connected services. If you receive an alert on your car and you're not sure what it corresponds to, this is where you can find all the information you need about warning lights. You can discover when the issue was detected, some details about it, and how to solve it. Simply click on the related symbol you're shown to find an explanation. It will also tell you the best course of action. It's like a tiny Citroën technician in your pocket. You can also find lots of helpful information about your car, including the full vehicle handbook, as well as useful video tutorials on how to get the most out of your Citroën. And finally, the More Info tab gives you the latest Citroën news, vehicle promotions, and after-sales offers, making sure you're up to date on all things Citroën.
Citroën.